iQOO just dropped some massive news about its upcoming flagship, the iQOO 15, and it looks like this phone is going to be a complete game changer for mobile gaming and performance enthusiasts. First up, the display. The iQOO 15 will feature a stunning 2K Samsung Everest panel using the world's first M14 luminescent material and 2K LEAD OLED technology. What does that mean? Well, we're talking about a 98.1% first frame brightness ratio, a 40% boost in luminous efficiency, and some crazy eye protection features. It even has a 1 nit soft light mode, supports up to 1000 nits peak manual brightness, 508 ppi clarity, Dolby Vision certification, and of course, a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate with a 3200Hz touch sampling rate for pro-level gaming responsiveness. But the real star here is iQOO's self-developed Q3 gaming chip, which they're calling the beginning of the era of mobile graphics cards. This is the world's first independent display chip with super resolution, super frame, and ray tracing support, all packed in. Built on TSMC's ultra-low power process, the Q3 delivers a 60% boost in performance, 40% better efficiency, 50% more cache, and a jaw-dropping 400% increase in AI capabilities. That's next-level mobile gaming power. The iQOO 15 also comes with the QNSS Super Rendering Engine, the industry's first fully developed ray tracing engine for large-scale open-world mobile games. iQOO is even promising PC-level graphics for titles like Naraka, Bladepoint, and up to 144 FPS at 2K resolution for an hour straight in Crossfire, Gun King. Plus, support for 180+ games with super resolution and frame interpolation, along with special collaborations for 7 big titles. This is shaping up to be the most advanced mobile gaming ecosystem we've ever seen. And if that wasn't enough, the iQOO 15 will also bring a periscope telephoto lens, wireless charging, and a new motor setup for better haptics. The iQOO 15 is officially being positioned as a super performance flagship, and it's set to launch this October. Are you excited for this gaming beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates.